Yeah, sorry guys, I have to like, yeah, update. I was doing like, where the cookie gone? Okay, so 1 minute. Guys, I'm just doing this. Yeah, so before the video, my screen stopped recording. I had Novita biscuits. No, only parents like this. Whoever is a really big fan of orange will love this. What? Okay. This is my favorite cookie called chocolate chip, which comes for 10 rupees. This is also Oreo for 10 rupees, but it's going to expire in 3 days, so I don't know about this. Could you stop having my coconut? Well, look at the size comparison though. Obviously, you would want to buy chocolate chip. Who does not like chocolate in their cookies? If you don't like chocolate, you're not human. Okay, so I'm trying to tell them, taste it. Wait, what's this? Where? Oh, I thought that was PS6 something. Oh my god. It was green, so I thought, okay, so this is how it looks like. How it looks like in the sunshine. So only normal people eat like this. I mean, not normal people eat like this. But me, your boy, Mr. Child, I'm not doing it yet. I'm just 10. I'm about to 11. Just do not forget my birthday. It's May 15th. We're 16. We all stuck in quarantine. Curfew, whatever. This is how people, this is how normal people eat it. You grab it over from here, put half of it in your mouth, don't eat it, and then you see this little crack, you spray in half. First I eat the nothing comes out. Yeah, cup will come out. No, sometimes nothing comes out of mine. It says, honestly I love these. This is my favorite. I think this is a cookie too. What? I want you to cookie. Which one do you like better? Obviously Kokomos. Stop throwing these. It's risk. We have like 25 more. So, okay, now I'm gonna lock it. I'm gonna eat it later when I'm watching Harry Potter or something like that. Okay, give me the other. Yay. Thanks. That's how my face looks like, by the way. Yeah, my hair grew a lot. I have glasses now. Hey, you tell me not to throw. Okay. This is called Knorr Maggie. Yeah, only like Knorr Maggie? Yeah, same thing. This is Chatpata Maggie noodles. Yeah. So I'm Muslim, so yeah. We eat this in this came for 35 rupees. Oh. Yes. Okay. This is the chili. And this is the chicken. And this is not the only flavor. Yes, you're correct. This have you tried all the flavors of every single one? The tiki mirchi from Chili Lane. Have you tried green chutney? Also tried chicken. Yeah, chicken. He wants us to eat him. Yeah. Not my fault, boy. Have you tried Oreos and Kokomos? Yeah, I did. Okay. Now tell the other snack. No, it's yeah. Now this is my favorite chips. If y'all do not have this in your country, then you're missing out. Wait, Australia does. Australia does. Australia is much more spicier. Yeah, they're much more spicier. If you don't know, then yeah, I asked my cousin. Wait, can I flip it? Yeah, I'm not supposed to throw this. Okay, sorry about that. Hey, that's disgusting. I just sprayed it, by the way. Oh, I sprayed it and I sprayed it with Dettol. Okay, now you're not going to get away. Yeah, I hope, inshallah. Mashallah. Inshallah. Okay. Okay, so this is red flaming hot. Yeah, it looks like this. Should I open this? We both can share it. Oh, we have 2 packets. Oh yeah. So that's this one's yours. Yeah, obviously. And how many? Okay. So this is how it looks like. Honestly, I'm not going to tell you what it actually looks like, but
There are a lot more reds in there. We just picked a non-red one.
looks amazing. Yeah, sure.
I'll
It
give
tastes
you one
better
of
than
mine.
it looks. Yeah, you can give me the whole pack in here. It tastes better than it looks.
I haven't had this in 2 years, by the way. It's been 2 years. 2.5 years, by the way. 2.5 years we haven't had this
Exactly.
because of this coronavirus. It's only been
But
like
we're not allowed to eat this normally, but yeah, it's hot and yeah.
you're supposed to stay cold.
Now, if you don't know what my favorite chocolate is, dun, dun,
Huh?
dun.
That's your favorite?
Yeah.
I thought bubbly was.
No, it's not.
Kit Kat?
No.
We'll
I-
throw these in the next one.
I'm that kind of person who likes like plain chocolates, not those crunchy sweet chocolates. I just like plain chocolates. It's called Cadbury Dairy Milk, made from bubbly. No, made by Cadbury.
You know, bubbly is so nice. They like they sponsored Dairy Milk and they don't even sponsor. Buddy. This come for 30 rupees
You have
one.
no idea.
This came for 30 rupees.
You have no idea, do you?
No.
Okay. So, anyways, you're not supposed to be in the video. You're too young to be in the video.
So what do you mean?
You're not supposed to show your face. You're too young.
I already did.
Well,
I made a video. Nothing.
I'm gonna get you talking. How dare you? You're not supposed to be
I
in
didn't.
the videos.
I'm.
Stop it. You're not supposed to be in the videos. Okay, yeah. Update. I didn't beat my brother. Okay. You're not supposed to be in the videos. Okay, not supposed to be in the video. You're too young, honestly.
Can my hand clean it?
No.
I drawed it. Oh my hand.
You drew it.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Dairy milk. Open this.
No.
I hope my mother doesn't see me.
No, she asked.
What?
Yeah.
You asked. Okay. Honestly, it's really melted now. Because we did not put this in the fridge.
Oh no, I'm putting mine in the fridge.
You're not supposed to put it in the fridge.
What?
You're not supposed to put the things in the
It's
fridge.
supposed to stay cold.
You're supposed to stay hot.
Are you?
Yeah, don't.
No, I'm dead.
Oh yeah, you're dead. Yeah, go away. Yeah. Go to sleep forever. Yeah, you can have one. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It's like a long,
Not in real
slim bar.
Not in real life. It just melted.
Literally just melted because you want to see how it looks like. It's blended chocolate. Ow, it's so hard to like take out. Okay, there you go. You can have some. Oh my god, my hands are stuck.
Oh no, I don't want it.
I'm gonna put it in there.
Wait,
No.
can you first tell them?
Yeah, 1 minute. I just want to enjoy this.
Okay.
This will come for 10 rupees too. This is my favorite. My hands are all covered in chocolate.
It comes for 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 25
only,
rupees.
only 10 rupees is the max lowest price.
No, 5. Oh yeah, 10.
At
10.
what age did you get this at 5 rupees?
15 years. But I'm 9, so I haven't even been in this for 15 years.
Cupboard mein. Can you throw this in the bin now?
Sure.
Thanks.
No,
Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands. Can you just pause
tell
it?
them.
No, I'm just.
I'll pause it.